How to tag people on Instagram. I'm going to tell you how to tag people on Instagram. To tag someone in a post, tap Tag People before sharing. And then tap on the photo, type their username, and select them. If you forgot, tap the three dots on your post, choose Edit, and then add the tag. For stories, type @ followed by their username or use the @ mention sticker. Tagged users may share your story with their followers. If you tag multiple people, Instagram will ask if you want to start a group chat. In comments, type @ and their username to tag them. Remember, private accounts can only tag followers, and users can limit who can tag them in their own setting.